Hi, my name is Trace Spiker. Today I'm going to show you how to use Vim's macro capabilities to automate a repetitive text editing task. In this case, I've got a line of pretty nasty looking CSS that has no new line breaks in it, and I'd like to add some to it. So I'm going to use Vim's macros to do that. There are a million different ways to accomplish this task, but I think it's a nice simple illustration of a really powerful feature in Vim. So I'm going to hit the caret key, Shift 6 to go to the beginning of the line here, and then I'm going to start recording my macro. The lowercase q key is the record macro command, and it expects a parameter where it will store the actions you're recording. So I'm going to do lowercase q followed by a little a character that just says record whatever I'm about to do into the a buffer. And now if you'll notice in the bottom left it says it's recording. And here I've got to put a little bit of thought into exactly what I want to accomplish, because it's going to record everything I do and we're going to repeat it a bunch of times. So I'm at the beginning of this line. What I would like to do is find the first semicolon and insert a new line break after it and repeat that a bunch of times. So in order to do that, I'm going to use the find command, little f, followed by the character I want to find, which is a semicolon. That takes us to the semicolon. And then I'm going to hit little a to insert after that character, hit enter to insert a new line, escape to go back into command mode, and little q again to finish recording. So now my macro is recorded into the a buffer, and if I use the playback operator, which is the at key, Shift 2, followed by a, which is the buffer we recorded it into, you'll see that it puts the next line where it's supposed to go. So I'm going to have to do this about 15 more times, it looks like. So I'm like anything in Vim, if you find yourself doing something repetitively, there's a better way to do it. So instead of hitting at a 15 times, I'm going to tell Vim to do it for me. So I'm going to say 15, which is how many times I want it to do it, followed by the at operator, playback, and then a, and you'll see that takes care of most of the rest of it for me. I've still got a couple of semicolons here, so I'm going to do it 2 more times, 2 at a, and we're done. Hopefully that's helpful to you. You can extend this type of functionality to do just about any repetitive, mundane task you can think of while text editing. So I'll talk to you next time. If you want to read more of my stuff, go to my blog at tspike.com. Thanks.